happy you're coming up now, because in the afternoon it's going to snow a little bit and get a bit foggier. So now you get the view.
The guys earlier were telling that it's already hot.
Yes.
I don't know why hot. Because it's positive?
Yes, yeah.
Ah.
Well, it's mainly because we're high up and it's quite exposed. If the sun's out, it feels a lot warmer than it would do down there.
Okay.
And there's no wind today either, so you'll actually feel a little bit warm. Hopefully.
You have to be patient with me. This is my first time.
Oh, it's no problem. It's everyone's first time.
You know, the guys here that's maintaining the snow, they create the controlled avalanche to ensure the safety of us.
Yes,
They're great.
They didn't do it today though.
Oh, they
No, they
not,
didn't. This mountain that we're going up here is called GALA YUZAWA and is connected to two other mountains. So YUZAWA Kogen, which you might have seen some of the lifts going up in the town, and then Isuchi is over on the right. So it's a 3-mountain resort, and you can ski all the way down to that village over there, or ski even down to the main town of YUZAWA.
there is the C1 something?
Yes, the green run, yeah.
That's where we're going?
We'll start off on the flat and then do a little bit of a slope and see how we go, possibly.
Alright. I don't want to be rolling down.
No, no rush. So are you all staying in YUZAWA?
I'm staying in Chiba.
Ah, I see.
I mean, in Chiba station.
Yeah. And you guys staying in YUZAWA?
No, we're staying in Tokyo
We're staying
actually.
in
Ah, okay. So just the day trip?
Yes.
Yeah. We almost missed our train actually this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We missed our train, but
Oh,
we
yeah,
took
we
another
missed our
train.
train.
Yeah.
And I came too early.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, because I was early in the Tokyo station.
Oh, I see.
And I actually saw the group, the 9:30 group,
Yeah.
and I thought it was my group, and I was wrong.
You panicked.
nagutom. Pero malaki yung naitulong ng mga pinanood ko sa YouTube. Yung instructor namin is from UK. 1 month pa lang siya rito, si Charlie. Okay siya. Wala masyadong concept, kaya nakatulong yun sa YouTube dahil practical application na ginawa niya. So I'm so satisfied. Tsaka ganda nitong GALA YUZAWA. Well, first time na ski resort, so but I should come back.